There is.
Got him? All right, guys, Josh Carter here with OneObjective. In today's video, we're gonna be at Smith Mountain Lake. We've had a major cold front come through. The nights have been in the 20s. And yesterday's high, which was Saturday, was a high of 44. Now it's like 60 some degrees. It's almost too hot to be in this hoodie. But so me and Chris, we're gonna go out and try it today just to see what we can figure out. The location I'm fishing right here in Smith Mountain doesn't have too many docks right here. So we're gonna be hitting a lot of just the shoreline structure, rock, trees, all that. So we're gonna try a variety of different things, see what we can come across. We got a slight little wind. It isn't too bad. I like to have a little bit of breeze, but we got a bluebird sky, so see what we can figure out. All right, well, we're on the water, and I'm not gonna lie, the bite is really tough, like really tough. Throwing a fluke and a flick shake, and y'all don't know what a flick shake is. This is what it's like a flick shake head. This is sorry if the camera's pretty bad with the sun, but a little Gary Yamamoto Cinco with a little weighted head. So they normally work pretty good this time of the year, but I don't have a lot of docks in this area. I normally like to have a creek with a lot of docks and make this, for me to make this pattern work. I know Chris hasn't done nothing yet, and hopefully figure something out. How you doing today, buddy?
Good. Can I take a picture of you?
Sure.
I like your rig.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, thank you.
You can check us out. We got a YouTube and all that we do too, OneObjective.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Are you the guy that was fishing with the alligators?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've caught a lot of big fish off this daggone flick shake head though. It's retarded. But it's always like the water temperature's in the 50s. I got throwing this bait when I was with Alan years ago one time because I seen it on TV, somebody throwing it. And like the second dock I ever threw it under, I caught one almost 6 pounds. It's crazy bait, it works good. This old dock here has seen its better days. Finally. No. He ain't a big guy, but I love him. He about choked it though. Not a bad little guy. Not a monster. At least we didn't zero, right? Wow. up, Val. Look at his back. I don't know, it just looks funny.
Yeah.
His back looks retarded. Damn. Yeah. I was just popping it. She, dude.
There is.
Got him? Oh, you got a good one. He ain't as big as I thought he was. He is a good one. Oh, there you go. There you go. Is that on the flick shake?
No, let's shake it again.
There you go.
Next
Hey, Val. I'll take the other one a little bit. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, no zero.
Yeah, no zeros for the day.
Oh.
Probably there, right? Like this. Got it? Yep.
Oh, I just threw my horn. Man, I need that one.
Is that on flick shake?
Yeah. Hi, monster. Just a little keeper fish, though.
Oh, weird. That one I thought was way off the top. Couldn't believe it.
Oh.
Oh, really?
Yep. Just hold on. Just hold on. Here we go. Look at that. Throw him back in.
Yeah.
Dude, I was burning. Just burning it back in. Yeah, I was used to that. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, as you can see, it was kind of a tough day. I ain't gonna lie, but you know, it wasn't a waste of a day. I guess we caught almost at my limit, but you know, several short little fish and all that. But you know, was able to figure out a little something. Chris was able to catch a decent little fish. He caught, I'll say, the bigger of the fish that we caught, but we got on some docks and started, you know, throwing some flick shake heads, rigged with a Cinco. And he caught his biggest one on a shaky head. But it was kind of a finesse bite for us, you know. But we got in the water later than I wanted to, really. We didn't get in the water till about 2 o'clock. So you know, it gets dark here in Virginia at 5 now. All this daylight stuff, daylight savings time stuff. So, we couldn't run that pattern real long. I wish we had a little bit more time. But the crazy thing was the water temperature, it didn't come down a lot like I thought it was going to. Like last couple weeks, it's been in, you know, mid 60s. It was in the low 60s today. I like seeing those water temperatures around the 50s, you know, 55, something like that. I think that's when the bite gets really good. For me, throwing jigs and crankbaits and spinnerbaits in the backs of those pockets when they're chasing the shad. So I didn't see a whole lot of bait fish on the screen. Once I got towards the main channel, I seen a little bit more. But I didn't see a lot on the screen today. So, and I didn't run around chasing them either, trying to look for them. But other than that, I mean, it was a tough day. But like I say, we was able to salvage the day and catch a few decent fish. And we'll see. Hopefully, maybe we'll get another beautiful day to get back out there on the water. Sorry, the camera's a little shaky. But hopefully, we'll get another day to get back out on the water and see if the bite gets better for us. But right now, we got a big cold front's gearing to come through. So we'll just have to see. Hopefully, the next couple of days, we'll have another nice day and get back out there. But other than that, guys, don't forget, on Sundays, we have our live show on Facebook. So if you want to come in and join in with the conversation, we normally get a lot of pros or, you know, different guests from all over talking about bass fishing. So, but just don't forget to come on there Sunday nights, 9 p.m. Eastern time, and join in on the conversations that we have. And also, you can go back on our YouTube and Facebook and check out all the videos of the show, in-depth segments we do with the pros. And then also, we have the full entire show on there. So, But other than that, guys, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button right beside that. That way you get a notification every time a new video comes out. And we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.